Welcome. So my name is Ojod on Kano World. That's my username. And today I'm excited to be remixing this wonderful swaggy mum by Natacat. And I'm going to be doing a couple of different remixes using Pixel Motion, which is exclusive to Kano World. I'm actually going to be taking inspiration from Volcanic Raven 1000. So thank you to Volcanic Raven 1000 for this really good suggestion about adding the bruh glasses. And gamers will know what he's talking about and put it on the llama. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click Remix. That's going to launch Pixel Motion. And it all gets brought in here. So let's play the animation just to see what we're working with. So we have the swag, as we can see, that pops up on frame 2 and frame 3. And we're going to try and add, I don't know, a little bit of snazziness. And then we're also going to add in the bruh glasses. I think we all know what we're talking about there. So let me start on frame 2. Let's start on this swag and try and make it a little bit more exciting. So we have our color palette over here. I'm going to choose a different color palette. I think I'm going to go for Kano. Just go nice and bright and bold. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it sort of almost seem like it's lighting up. So I'm going to take quite a light color to start for this first one. And on every pixel below, I am going to add in that yellow. So here we go. This one as well. This one as well. This one here. This one here. This one here. So that's just the start. And then I'm also going to go up. So this is going down and I want to light it up to the up as well. I'll choose a different color. Let's choose this nice color here. And everything up top is going to be, oh, not that one. So I'm going to hit undo there. All of these up here up top are going to be colored in. So there we go. Right. And then I'm also going to do left and right. So for left, why don't we go green? And for right, let's go blue. And add that in. Right, and then on the next tile, I'm going to add in the yellowing, so it was yellow all at the bottom. Like so, and I think I had it there and there as well. This one, got one wrong there, so let me hit undo. There. And then we had this one up top. So there we go. Follow the A, follow the G. And then we had green going to the left and blue going to the right. And now that we've got that in again, so if we hit play, you can see it just pops up. Oh, we've missed a few. That's interesting. We've missed that kind of lighter green on the second one. So we can add those back in. We had that there, and we had that there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make it expand more. So everywhere it's yellow, we'll now go to orange top on the second frame. There we go. I might add an orange in there. And then I'm going to end it up on red. So it's kind of like yellow, orange, and red. And we'll finish that up. And the whole idea of this is just to sort of, be creative, use your imagination. And what I'm trying to achieve here is just sort of lighting up this swag so it really pops in the image. So if I take a slightly darker green over there, maybe I'll use the purple for the right-hand side, like that. And then above this sort of tealy green, what should I go above there? Why don't I go pink? So all of those should be colored in there, just above it. And above the pink, maybe I should try another palette. So I've got that kind of bright pink. Maybe if I take Magic Unicorn and take a more pale pink as well, that'll work well. So there we have it. So there's the swag all lit up. So if we hit play, you can see it kind of now pops a little bit more, a bit like a rainbow. So that's exactly what I was looking for. Now let's try these glasses. I'm going to start the glasses on the first frame. Now, as we all may know, the bruh glasses are just all in black with a little bit of a white indent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the glasses up on top of the forehead, and then the animation is going to bring them down and up, down, up, down, etc. Just like that. So if I start going in black this way to the top of the head, and this one there, and I'll go one up higher, and then we have a long line here, we'll pop up one, and then like so, and like that. And then what we're going to do, I think, is we're going to put one side like a darker green. dark of grey. And then the other side, a nice light white, like that. And then for the next one, we're just going to bring it down a little bit, and that should work really well. So now we'll want to bring it slightly closer to the eyes. We'll start in a somewhat similar place. Just bring it a little bit closer to the line here. So where did I start it here? So yeah, I was one above. So this one will work well, coming one down. I went one too far, so I'll white that out. To the black, down, two there, and then there, then two, then down, then, and then I had a nice grey, which is this grey here. So it leaves it in on the side view, which is really quite useful, and a white. So white there, and white there. And as you can see, it's not quite covering the eye yet, so that's what we're going to be able to do on the last one. So now we're going to come down over the eyes. We'll start here and come down. Add it quite back, and then we'll come down straight across there. And like so it was two, and then down, and then up. One extra there. Take the grey in on the left hand side and put the white in on the right. Just like, right, let's hit play and see what we've got. There we go. Perfect. So I'm really happy with that. Thanks again, Natacat, for this creation. So there's my remix of it. You can see it's got some good movement. It's got the lighting up of the swag, and it's got the bruh glasses. So there we go. Right, so that's me done. I'm going to hit share. I'm going to title it. Whoops, that popped off. So I'm going to title it Llama Swag Remix Bruh. And let's give an exclamation point and remix of the great swag. And I missed the name there. And I spelled creation. Let's sort that out. There we go. And then we can actually record a short animation for your thumbnail. So let's just record. Give it a few seconds. There we go. That's all done. And then I hit share. And then that will share immediately onto Kano World, so all my followers can see it, or you guys can go and find it as well. And it will also be on my profile, so I can find it there as well, but let's check it out. There we go. Perfect. Well, thanks for watching. Why don't you have a go and remix it yourself?